Hi, I'm Ben. I'm a songwriter and musician from Peterborough, Ontario. Give me a sound that rolls across these shadow hills and wakes the dreamers from their sleep. This is no time for dreamers to be sleeping. One lonely sigh wafts out into the evening, a silver whisper on the rails. Hitches arrive on the high and lonesome sound of a train whistle. Something simple you just can't explain to anyone, rolling warm into my night, like every song that's ever been my favorite song. Ah, hear it now, and your heart is answering, and it feels so good to go away in the night on the high and lonesome sound of a train whistle. Something simple you just can't explain to anyone, rolling warm into my night, like every song that's ever been my favorite song. On the high and lonesome sound of a train whistle, something simple you just can't explain to anyone, rolling warm into my night, like every song that's ever been my favorite song, my favorite song, my favorite song. Somewhere.